Friends, welcome to our channel once again. So today we are going to design this pipe routing by using Solidworks software. I hope you like it. So we will assign these three different types of valves. You see these valves and this flange and this elbow ways of routing, pipe routing in Solidworks. I hope you will enjoy. So let's start. So open, choose assembly. Okay. So cancel this one. So make plain white. So come to this one, then choose this start by dragging and dropping. Yes. Then come to this design library. We are going to find this piping and choose this flange. You see, before dragging flange, let's view origin. Yes. Then drag flange and make it through origin. Say yes. Select this slip on flange 150 nps 5. Select this one, slip on flange 150 nps 5, then say okay. The assembly must be saved before you then save. Yes. Okay, then come to this side and make sure you are using this elbows. Always say yes. So you can adjust like this one. Yes. So come to this and choose IPS. See, then select this pipe, then right click, edit route. So select this line. See this line? Select this line, and by now you have 3D sketch. Select this point like this one. You see? Right click, select. So let's assign dimensions. Sketch, choose smart dimension. Assign this one. Give this 15 inches. Okay. Assign this also. Give 50 inches. Give this one 100 inch. Assign this one, give 50 inch. Give this one 50 inches and assign this one 100 inch. So now the route is fully defined, you see. Then say yes. So let's assign teeth. Scroll down here and you will find teeth. See this teeth? Then select straight T inch. Just drag here. Press tab key to change direction. See? Then by this one you have T inches 5 for T. Then say yes. Do you want another twist? Yes. Press it here. Press tab key, change direction. Yes. Press tab key, change direction. and press tab key to change direction. So cancel this one. Let's assign dimensions. Choose smart dimension, give this one 25 inches, give this also 25 inches, give this also 25 inches. Also assign this one 25. Then say OK. So let's make elbow way through this point up to this one. So come to this piping, choose auto route, then select this point, and this one. You see, it looks good. Then say yes. Just drag this point to meet with this origin. Yes. So let's assign flanges. Just drag up, click flange. So drag flange up to this one. It is going to be automatically the same specifications of strip on flange NPS 5. Say yes. Do you want another flange? Yes. Assign this one up to this. Okay, so cancel. So let's have reducer on this one. Choose this one and drag reducer, and drop to this one. Reducer with the same size. Yes. Do you want another reducer? No. So let's assign flange on this reducer. Choose flange, drag flange. So it is going to be automatically the size of this one, NPS 2. Do you want another? No. So let's assign valves. So drag up, then choose valve by this one. Here, let's assign these types of valve here. Yes. Do you want another? No. Let's assign the valve here. Choose this one. Just drag. Place tab key to change direction. Yes. Global valve assembly with 150 NPS. Yes. Do you want another? No. So let's assign the last valve here on this side. It was this one. It was this one. Let's drag this one. Say yes. Okay. Cancel. Just choose smart dimension. Give this one 15. Okay, then assign this one also 15. Say yes. Then exit sketch. So try to hide these lines and hide this origin. So you see friends, this is how to design pipe routing in Solidworks. I hope you have liked it. So subscribe to our channel to get more. So it looks better. See, this is good. So friends, thank you.